Welcome everyone. I got something to share. I just got this package yesterday in the mail, and this is from MacEffects. And MacEffects and I are good friends, and I actually helped him with some of this development on this product, so it's very close to my heart. And I am very excited that I just got it. This is from a Kickstarter, and let's see what it is. So be very careful when you open it. If you use something sharp, don't do it very deep, because it can affect what it's inside. And here we go. Let's see what it's inside. Oh my God. Here we go. Let me move a little bit so you can see the complete thing. It's a box within the box, and this is the new MacEffects Apple IIc Reloaded. This is the injection molded case for the Apple IIc. Fits the A2S 4000 and 4100 model. So this is one of the first one that he shipped. They just came out. Finally, he had a lot of issues, and of course, knowing him, he had to send it back to fix a lot of little details. So finally it's here, and I'm very thankful. This is I'm very proud of it. This is one of my designs. So we wanted to look or resemble to the old Apple IIc design. So we did something like this. I don't know if you remember this, but there was an ad with somebody having the Apple IIc like that. So there it is. There's the box, and let's open it up. Okay. So we open it up very carefully, and it's very well packed. Oh my God, look at this. It fits perfectly. It was made exactly to fit the box. And oh, a bag of goodies. Let's see the bag of goodies in a minute. Let's see the big thing right now. Oh yeah. Look at this packaging, guys. It's amazing. It's really professional. Remember, this is a Kickstarter. This is not somebody that does this for a living. Mark does an amazing job all the time, every time. So here it is, guys. It's a thing of beauty. It is not completely transparent. It's like the original prototypes, and that's exactly the same color as the prototype. Not completely transparent like the other ones that he did, and he did that on purpose because he wanted to look like the original prototypes. But as you can see, it has a 2C over here. It has a text, and it has the other text over here. And of course, this comes with a handle that was part of the extra that he added. And if you open it, you gotta be careful when you open it. It should open from the back. You lift it a little bit. And you know the old trick to open an Apple IIc. You put this down and you let it down a little bit. It sounds horrible, but it actually opens it. And this should be the same thing. So what it does is this pushes up the plastic, and it's designed to push up and open it. Try never to open it from the front, because there's a little bit of tabs over here, and if you force it, the tabs will break. So one thing we can do is we can push it or pull it, yeah, and try to open it. Again, it's a little bit hard because it's brand new right now, so you got to do it very carefully, and it opens in two parts. I'm struggling with it because I don't want to break anything, or I don't know how this is. I know it's pretty strong, but still I don't want to damage anything. So just be careful and do it carefully. There's tabs over here, so that's why it's holding it. and that's why it's not moving, because it's brand new and it fits perfectly. You see, I just push this open up. Push it carefully. You see the tabs over there? And it's coming out. Wow. Oh no, I thought it had like tape or something, but no, it is. And I should look at it if it had some tape or anything, but it does not. So just, it's brand new and it's put together very well. So as you can see, it's really well done, really well made. Beautiful. As anything that MacEffects does, Mark at MacEffects always is looking at perfection in his products. He's never letting anything go through. If there's any issues anytime, it's really difficult because he always does 2 or 3 passes, and that's why sometimes it takes time to get to you guys, and people are like, where are my stuff, where are my stuff? Yeah, but he's making sure that everything is in perfect condition and it's the way he would like to receive it. So that's it. Let's see the goodie bags. Okay. Ooh, there's stuff. Okay, so first of all, there is these little tabs, metal tabs. These little metal tabs go in the back. As you may know, I have opened my fair share of Apple IIc. So these little metal tabs go in here. I'm sorry, I got my hand. So they're stuck together, but I gotta separate them. And these tabs are where you gotta separate them and push them in here. And this is where the back screws get in. There's another one here. So I think he sent 3 of them. That's very good. In case you lose one, you just need 2 of them. 1, 2, and that's it. All right, let's see what else. Oh, the Apple logo. Look at that. This is the metal ones that he sent out to make. They made this one by melting old ones that they were scratched or ugly and damaged. He sent them out, they melt them, and they recreated this. So he used original ones to redo them. And this, of course, fits perfectly on the corner. Then, what else do we have? Oh, the feet. Clear feet. Clear round feet. So everything stays clear. And of course the feet go in the 4 edges, the 4 corners. So here they are, 4 feet. And last but not least, this is a reproduction Apple IIc, and it allows you to say which model do you have. And of course it does have, it says the same things that it used to say in the original one. So it's a reproduction, of course, and the cool thing about this is that this label is clear. It's a clear vinyl, or vinyl. So if we put it in here, it's going to be clear. It goes in here in this resist space, and it fits perfectly. We made it to look exactly like the Apple IIc with the same text and everything, but of course it has these 2 little things. We're not trying to clone anything or anything like that. We're just trying to make it look like the original ones. So this is part of the cool things that come with it. And I am very, very happy and amazed. Again, this is the box. And in the past, he sent the box directly, and people say, no, I don't want you to send the box because it's too nice and we don't want it damaged. So he now sends a box within the box. And of course, that costs money, more money than he expected, but hey, it is what it is. There it is. Designed probably in the USA. It's just a beautiful, beautiful box with a model showing the t-shirt like the original one. There's an original photo, and Apple used this one, and so it was recreated with Mark's. I think this is Mark's wife, and she's showing the beautiful Apple IIc with a clear keyboard, clear everything. So MacEffects Reloaded. Excellent. I am very, very happy. I am excited, and I'm gonna put it together in another video. But hey, here it is, guys. What do you think? So he's shipping it right now. So if you participated in the Kickstarter, expect it in a few days. And let me know what you think. Put it together. And for the people that didn't participate in the Kickstarter, I heard that hopefully he will have extras to sell later. So there you go, guys. I hope you like it. Please remember to like, share, comment, and tell your friends. Thank you, and see you next time.